Hey there, this is Kimber Domke, mindful food and fitness coach, and totally unprepared, but just thought I would throw together a super quick video. I am making turkey burgers, and one way, I am like a super lazy chef, I have to tell you, but even just cooking for myself, I'm willing to put a little bit of spunk in these burgers with some cool techniques from a friend of mine. So one idea is to just mix up the spices. I've got, each burger has a random kind of mixture of, we got some onion salt, red chili peppers, the basics but super critical, salt, and this is some awesome, this one is some awesome pink sea salt from Greece, and basic pepper, and some Japanese ginger powder. Ooh, this one looks fancy. But the coolest things that you can do to add a little bit of umami flavor to your burgers are putting some sliced mushroom inside the burger itself. And likewise with garlic. This garlic was baked already, so it's already soft and has a little bit of olive oil on it. And this can go right inside the burger. I know it's a little weird, but yep, you just shove it right in and cover it with the meat, and voila, pop it on your pan. All right, so that's it for today. Super quick, kind of lazy hacks to increase the umami flavor of your food. Have an awesome day. This is Kimber, mindful food and fitness coach. Ciao.